Best drones under $500. Drones have become increasingly popular gadgets in recent years, offering enthusiasts and professionals alike the ability to capture stunning aerial footage, engage in recreational flying, or even explore new avenues of photography and videography. In this blog post, we take a look at the best drones under $500, exploring the diverse options available within this budget range. Number 1. DJI Drone Mavic Mini Combo under $500. The DJI Mavic Mini Combo elevates your aerial photography experience by combining portability with powerful performance. This drone, weighing just under 0.55 pounds, makes it almost as light as a smartphone, yet does not compromise on capabilities. Its lightweight nature not only enhances portability but also exempts it from registration requirements in several countries. The Mavic Mini boasts a 2.7K camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring crystal clear images and ultra-smooth video footage, making it an ideal companion for capturing life's moments from a breathtaking aerial perspective. The drone's user-friendly DJI Fly app enhances your flying experience, offering intuitive controls and creative options with just a few taps. Despite its compact size, the Mavic Mini does not skimp on flight time. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight with a fully charged battery, thanks to its energy-efficient design. The comprehensive package includes multiple batteries, spare propellers, and all the accessories you need to get flying right out of the box, making it the perfect tool for creators on the go. Number 2. Holystone HS720 Drone under $500. The HS720 drone from Holystone is a marvel of engineering, designed to cater to both beginners and seasoned drone enthusiasts alike. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera supported by a shock absorption holder, it captures breathtaking high-resolution images and videos without the hindrance of camera vibrations. This drone stands out for its advanced GPS-assisted intelligent flight, ensuring you never lose your drone as it returns automatically when the battery is low, or the signal is lost. The HS720 promises a comprehensive flying experience with its 52 minutes of total flight time across 2 batteries, a foldable design for easy portability, and brushless motors that offer a quieter flight with less power consumption. The operation of the HS720 is remarkably simple, thanks to multiple sensors that ensure stable hovering and high-quality picture capture under diverse flying environments. Optical flow positioning bolsters its performance in weak GPS signals, making it incredibly reliable. Its considerate controller, extensive control range, and LED screen that displays battery level and GPS signal enhance the user experience by making it effortless to monitor and control the drone's flight. Number 3. Ruko Drone under $500. The Ruko F11 Pro drone combines long flight times, straightforward learning, and durable construction, making it perfect for adults venturing into aerial photography. With its 4K UHD camera, the drone captures sharp, vibrant images and videos. It stands out with an impressive 60 minutes of flight time across 2 batteries, allowing for longer shooting and exploration. The drone is also prepared for upcoming regulations with its FAA-compliant remote ID module, showing its commitment to future-proof flying. Aimed at beginners, the F11 Pro is designed to be user-friendly while still delivering the excitement of flight. It comes with features like GPS auto-return, follow me mode, and tap fly, which simplifies the flying process so users can concentrate on being creative. Its ability to withstand level 6 winds is thanks to strong brushless motors, guaranteeing steady flights even in less than ideal weather. The package is complete with all the essentials, plus a carrying case for easy transport and storage. Number 4. Holystone HS175D Drone under $500. Holystone secures another position on our roster of top drones priced below $500 with its HS175D RC model. Boasting a fusion of advanced functionalities and user-friendly design, this drone stands out. Featuring a 4K ultra-clear camera, it captures stunning high-resolution visuals complemented by a 110 degrees wide angle and 90 degrees adjustable lens. The 5 GHz FPV transmission ensures seamless and stable video streaming, even in challenging conditions like high speeds or strong winds. Its GPS auto return feature adds an extra layer of reliability, guiding the drone back home automatically if it goes out of range, loses signal, or experiences low battery, ensuring a worry-free flying experience. The design of this drone is geared towards enhancing the flight experience. It comes with 2 batteries, providing a total of up to 46 minutes of flight time. With features such as altitude hold, optical flow, headless mode, and easy speed adjustments, it caters to both novice and seasoned pilots alike. The foldable fuselage design, coupled with a convenient carrying case, makes it highly portable and ideal for travel. Furthermore, its intelligent flight modes, including Follow Me and Circle Fly, combined with automatic photo and video capture capabilities, offer users creative and enjoyable flight experiences. Number 5. DJI Mavic Mini Drone. The DJI Mavic Mini, a marvel in the drone industry, offers a perfect blend of compact size and powerful performance, making it an ideal companion for capturing everyday moments from a new perspective. Weighing just under 0.55 pounds, this drone falls into the safest weight class, exempting it from registration in several countries. Its portability is unmatched, allowing you to carry it anywhere with ease. The Mavic Mini boasts a 2.7K camera supported by a 3-axis motorized gimbal, ensuring your footage is smooth and your images are clear, no matter the flight conditions. This drone is designed to be accessible to everyone, with the DJI Fly app providing intuitive controls and creative options at your fingertips. Despite its small size, the Mavic Mini does not compromise on flight time. Enjoy up to 30 minutes of flight on a full charge, a remarkable feat for a drone of this size. Its lightweight also enhances its flight performance, offering a more agile and responsive flying experience. The drone includes a variety of accessories and features like quick shot modes and CineSmooth mode, enhancing your filming capabilities and making it easier to achieve cinematic results. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, the Mavic Mini offers something for everyone, combining ease of use with impressive flight and imaging capabilities. Number 6. Potensic Drone under $500. Potensic's Atom SE drone earns its place at number 5 due to its lightweight design. Weighing in at under 249 g, it offers exceptional portability without the hassle of FAA and remote ID registration in many areas. Its foldable structure not only simplifies transportation but also enhances durability, capable of withstanding level 5 wind conditions. Featuring a 4K EIS camera with a 1/3 cm Sony sensor, this drone ensures clear and stable footage. With a 118 degrees field of view, FOV, and adjustable camera angle, it provides versatility for capturing diverse perspectives. Catering to pilots of all skill levels, the Atom SE incorporates the Surge-Fly flight control system, offering multiple flight modes for both ease of use and skill development. Equipped with dual batteries, users can enjoy up to 62 minutes of flight time, reducing the need for frequent recharges. Additionally, the drone boasts a 4 km FPV transmission range and advanced GPS features such as auto return, follow me, and waypoint flight, ensuring a seamless flying experience. With PixSync 2.0 technology, stable and long-distance image transmission is guaranteed, making it ideal for capturing stunning aerial views. Number 7. Bwine Drone under $500. The F7GB2 drone from Bwine sets a new standard in the sub-$500 category with its FAA compliance, ensuring it meets all regulatory requirements for a hassle-free flying experience. Its standout feature is the 4K camera supported by a 3-axis gimbal, providing ultra-stable and clear images and videos. The 120 degrees FOV lens and the ability to zoom in 5x digitally allow for capturing breathtaking landscapes and detailed close-ups without sacrificing image quality. Not only does the F7GB2 excel in imaging, but it also impresses with its flight capabilities. Equipped with 2 intelligent batteries, it offers an extended flight time of up to 50 minutes, making it one of the longest flying drones in its class. The level 6 wind resistance ensures stable flight conditions even in less than ideal weather, allowing you to capture smooth footage. Its remarkable 9,800 feet transmission range extends your exploration horizons, giving you freedom to capture more of the world around you. The drone's GPS, intelligent flight modes, including auto return, follow me, and waypoints, make it a smart companion for any adventure.